Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the Dell Pro 7 Slim keyboard and mouse, which is fantastic. We do have the brand new keyboard over here, as well as the mouse. And then this keyboard and mouse combo comes in a variant that is available with dual OS compatibility. So it will work with your Apple devices. It's been a pretty big request over the years, and glad to see that we do have this particular device with US English right now as an option for dual OS. Let's jump into the unboxing. Moment of truth. Oh wow, look at that. Super slim. Holy. Got your power button over here. Area for your dongle, the batteries, feet, let's take a look at the mouse. Ooh, beautiful. Full-size mouse, forward, back, DPI settings, fast scroll. Love it. It's quiet. Multiple devices, USB-A to Bluetooth. This would be the button to change the input, on, off, and then dongle over here. Gotta love the little place for it so you don't lose it. And then super quiet, I'm typing pretty hard. Over here, warranty, safety, regulatory information, and then the batteries in here. So you're going to see for the keyboard, 2 AAA, for the mouse, AA. Let's put it in. From a layout perspective, new thing this year, you'll see input for audio, speech to text, or voice to text, however you want to refer it. You'll see the different input modes. Hey, do I want it USB-A or the Bluetooth? Snipping tool directly on there. And then Action Center over here. So definitely a lot has been done to really optimize this, but check out really how slim that is. Impressive. So let's take a look at the MacOS version. Check out the Mac version. Moment of truth. Oh man. So it's very similar to the way how the other one was, but check that out. Finally, the command keys and the option. Windows, Mac, and off. And on this side, you'll see your rubber feet. Batteries. Take a look at the mouse. Already got really hyped up about it in terms of the look and feel just a little while ago, so won't do it again, but oh man, this thing looks awesome. Dongle, love how it hides in plain sight. Different input modes to change your on-off switch. Super silent, forward, back, fast scroll, and then warranty, safety, regulatory information over here. Let's jump into the setup. So before I do, just taking another look at both of them, you have the dual OS version here, switches right here for Mac, Windows, and off. And then the top one is the Windows only layout. And you'll see the mouse that it's paired with is identical. So looking at the mouse, this is going to be the Dell Pro 7 silent mouse, the KM726. You do have some options here in terms of your primary mouse buttons. You can change kind of the DPI settings. If I wanted to go all the way up to 6,000, you can do that here. You can change the polling rates and then horizontal scroll direction, moving up, moving down. How do you want that kind of working? And then from a customization standpoint, you can change the buttons here, the forward, back, this DPI button, your fast scroll and things like that, to different things that meet kind of your workloads. Looking at the options, right? So left, you can change what you do. Do I want it to go forward, backward? So I'll show you the keyboard customization that obviously you can change. You can reprogram depending on what you're doing. And then for the macro keys over here. So I've got the KM726. This is just the standard Windows layout one. Plugged in, Dell Display and Peripheral Manager opened up. So let's go take a look at the options there. You'll see the macro customization on that first screen, some more options here, custom keys that you can also change. And then you'll take a look at some of that customization itself. So volume, up, down, sound output. So if you needed to change the different devices you have connected there, voice typing, so that's speech to text, your forward, backward, play, pause, your lock, and then 1, 2, 3 over here is the physical inputs on the keyboard. So if I needed to switch from, say, the USB-A, which is what it's on, to Bluetooth, you can do that just with the keystroke there. Pause, break, scroll lock, and then screen snip. So that's actually going to open up snipping tool, and then macro customization over here, depending on what you're doing. The version of Dell Display and Peripheral Manager as of the date of recording is version 2.2.1.16. And if we go to the mouse, which is, the Dell Pro 7 silent mouse, because this mouse over here is super slick. You can change some of the DPI settings. First and foremost, it goes all the way up to 6,000.
Did I want it left primary, right primary? You can do that. You can change the polling rate, scroll direction, depending on what you're doing in terms of right, left, left, right, and then button customization. So, hey, instead of the DPI switch, did I want to change that to something else? I can certainly do that. The forward button, again, did I want to change that to something else? You can certainly do that. And then battery health and things like that from a receiver standpoint. But there is a lot of customization on the MS726, which is the mouse, the KB726, which is the keyboard, and the combination of the mouse and keyboard is going to be the KM726. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Take care.